Get your books and turn it on page 47. No, you're gonna learn me about
Alright class, it's time to line up for your recess. During the recess,
You want to fight me? Why are you fighting? She's bumping into me. Okay? You go to detention. Go! Are you alright? Yes, I'm alright. What happened? They were fighting. Why are you fighting?
Because she's bumping into girls.
Why would you do that? Because she blocked the way. She blocked the way? Doesn't mean you can hit her. Sorry, principal. Go sit over there.
Thank you for defending me earlier. That's okay.
life can just change in an instant. No one expected that Ivan would be taken by a sudden illness. His passing came without warning, leaving behind shock, sadness, and countless memories that will never fade. Though his time with us was cut short, his kindness, laughter, and the love he shared will remain in our hearts forever. Ivan may be gone, but he will never be forgotten.